In this video, we're going to show you how you can get books of cards in Clash Royale. Here's a quick and easy guide for y'all. Before we dive into this quick guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. But if you're trying to collect books of cards here in Clash Royale, just know they are super rare and they're not the easiest thing to get, but there's two main ways that you can go ahead and find them. The first way is through special events. Now, occasionally, Clash Royale does run limited time events that reward books of cards, especially like the common ones, the rare ones, and the epic ones. While this current event that is going on right now at the time of me recording this video doesn't necessarily offer any books of cards, many others have, so always check the rewards before each event does end. Now, the other option is to get extremely lucky in a 5-star lucky drop. Lucky drops you can get every single day. You get 4 of them for free by just getting wins. And the drop rates for books are on the lower side, but if RNG is on your side, you might actually go ahead and pull one from there. Books like the Book of Books or the Champion Book are even rarer than others, so definitely keep your expectations in check. But if this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Clash Royale guides just like this. And make sure to check out our channel. We are uploading a ton of Clash Royale videos today, so there's probably more stuff on there that might interest you. Have a great day. Peace.